Welcome to Carey's Carving Canada, the making of the welcome sign. Before and after.
Hi, Carey's Carving Canada. Today we're going to be doing a welcome sign out of spruce. We're going to take a measuring tape. I like to have about 10 to 12 centimeter, or 10 to 12 inches per letter. Just makes it a little easier. The grain, you always got to keep one grain that goes from the top to the bottom. Again, one grain has to go from the top to the bottom, and that'll give you your structure. So let's do some measurements and start carving. Eleven's a little tight, so I'm going to drop her back down to 10. I'll mark it on the other side now. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Welcome, 7 letters. Could write it in. We're just going to freehand it. So basically, we're dealing with the letters. Okay, so we're going to get suited up and we're going to get this thing carved. We're going to start from the top, go to the bottom, and as I said before, I want to keep one grain that joins everything from the top to the bottom to give us our structure. Okay, so coming along all right. This is a really good support here. They always define the front. The back doesn't really matter too much. You'll notice when we turn around, it gets a little thicker, so you know you got a lot more support in the back. We'll fix it up, we'll touch it up a little bit, but not that much. And then make sure you differentiate your letters. Again, you see we've got one grain. It goes from the top. Then we've got to refuel, and then we're going to do the E. And we're still going to have that one grain, and that's going to be, this is not strong, etc., etc. Okay, we're back. Chainsaws are fueled up. And These items are a lot of fun. They're easy to do. They're really popular. People love them. So let's get suited up and get this done.
If you'd like to support this channel through Patreon, please see the link in the description below.
Oh, hey, there we go. Carey's Carving Canada. Please subscribe. That's our welcome sign. Now we're going to take that and we're going to burn it and get some nice colors. We'll see you again. Hey, also, we're ready to give this a burn and take off the charcoal. See this? See this nice line here? Right there? It's taking longer for it to burn. That's the cambium. It's the outer layer of the wood. It supplies wood with water. It does a lot of other things. When you're carving wood, you can use that cambium layer to create a lot of effects, especially when you're burning, because it won't burn as fast as the heartwood. So this is the cambium, and then we get into our heartwood, which burns a lot faster and allows you to do a lot with fire. You can use the cambium level as your skeleton as you carve for extra support. All right, so it's burnt. Well, now the not so fun part. We'll cool it off, and we'll get some water, and we're going to start scrubbing the charcoal off, and it's going to reveal the nice colors underneath.
Thank you for watching the making of the welcome sign video. We hope you like it. And again, as always, thank you for watching.